Puddy, can you believe it? Christmas is here, and guess who's the star of the season?
Let me guess. Is it me? I am the grand finale, the sweet superstar.
Nope, it's me, Eggy. Everyone loves Egg Nog, which means everyone loves me.
Egg Nog, isn't that a drink?
Exactly. A drink with egg right in the name. I'm basically a holiday VIP, the Nog part. That's probably just a fancy way of saying super cool egg.
Are you sure about that? I thought Egg Nog was more of a recipe, not, an actual egg.
Recipe? Perfect. Recipes don't sing carols or make people smile like I do. I'm practically the king of Christmas mugs. All I need now is to find some Christmas fog.
Christmas fog? What's that?
It's the magical stuff that makes eggnog officially Christmassy. I've got the egg part covered. Now I just need to find that festive fog and I'll be unstoppable.
Eggy, I don't think that's how it works.
First, I'll check the fridge. It's probably hanging out with the whipped cream or sprinkles. Hops toward the fridge.
Eggy, I think you're a little scrambled on this one.
Nope, no fog in here. Maybe it's under the tree with the presents. Hops to the tree, searching.
Oh, Eggy, you're cracking me up. There's no such thing as Christmas fog.
Wait, are you sure? But then, how does eggnog become so magical?
It's not about fog, Eggy. It's about the eggs, milk, sugar, and all the care that goes into making it. You're already an important part of the holidays.
So you're saying I am the magic?
Something like that. Without eggs, there wouldn't be eggnog, or cookies, or cakes. You're already a star.
Wow, I really am exceptional, aren't I? Thanks, Puddy. You're not so bad yourself. For dessert.
Right back at you, Eggy. Now let's enjoy Christmas together. No fog needed.
And so Eggy and Puddy spent Christmas celebrating the magic of the holidays and being part of the traditions that make it so special.
Remember, kids, even little things like eggs can make a big difference. Merry Christmas.
And pudding, don't forget pudding.
Merry Christmas to all, and to all an egg-cellent night.